We call on our beloved Choir Provincial of the Philippine Carmelite Province of St. Titus, Bransma, to give his opening remarks. Please welcome Father Rico P. Ponce Oka.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. A warm welcome to Awit ng Pagmamahal at Pag-asa, a post-Valentine charity concert for Anawi Mission Incorporation. It fills my heart with immense joy to see so many compassionate souls gathered here this afternoon. I welcome you not only as the prior provincial of the Carmelite Philippine Province of St. Titus, Bransma, but as President of Anawi Mission. It is an ecumenical organization dedicated to uplifting the lives of the impoverished. I want to express my deepest gratitude for your presence. Your support is the lifeblood of our mission to serve the less fortunate in our society. Through various programs, including medical and dental missions, and a crucial daycare program in Payatas, Quezon City. This afternoon's concert is a beautiful testament to the power of love and hope. We are incredibly grateful to each and every one of you who has contributed to making this event a reality. A special thank to our generous donors and benefactors whose contributions have made this concert possible. We also extend our sincere appreciation to our incredibly talented performers who have donated their time and artistry, and to the dedicated concert production staff whose hard work has brought this event into life. And I also thank the board of Anawi Mission. And finally, a heartfelt thank you to the tireless members of Anawi Mission whose dedication and commitment make our work possible. The funds raised this afternoon will directly impact the lives of the children and families in the depressed urban poor communities and other marginalized sector of our society, enabling us to continue providing essential services and fostering hope in their community. Thank you again for being a part of this meaningful journey. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.